Hello everyone and welcome back to Vitiligo Talks. On this channel we keep technology simple, so if you are interested in keeping tech simple, then hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my new content.
Come on, proceeds are going to charity. Help me out.
Today I've got another unboxing and initial thoughts on the iPad Air 4, which was released by Apple in October 2020. I have been using this iPad since September 2021. I bought this about a year later.
So late to the game.
And I will be doing a detailed review on my channel soon. Outside of the box, you do have this artwork, which I quite like. Seems like the iPad Air 4 is aimed at people who use the Apple Pencil. Students come to my mind regarding the target audience. What do we get in the box? Let's put the iPad to one side and focus on what's in the box. In the box, you get some instructions, Apple stickers, and a USB-C cable and a power brick. Thank you, Apple, for a power brick. Companies giving you charging bricks. Those were the days when the world actually made some sense.
Remember the good old days?
Let's look at the iPad's design language. I'm sure you guys have seen this design language from the iPhone 12s and now the iPhone 13s that have been launched. I really like the design of this iPad. It's very light and I quite like that too. At the top, actually, I would say on the side, you get the power button with Touch ID. Who uses an iPad in portrait mode anyway? Anyone? Comment down below. I have been using this iPad since September 2021 and I'm very impressed with Touch ID. Works like a dream for me.
Run them like the post office? Because that works like a dream.
For my wife, the Touch ID never worked for her in her previous iPhones and it doesn't work for her on this iPad either. She is a big fan of Face ID. You have the volume rocker, SIM card tray on the same side. This iPad comes with 4 speakers and they are very loud. If you are watching a movie, you will get immersed into the movie. If you are a regular watcher on my channel, you will know that I shoot all my videos with my iPhone and edit on my iPad. This is the main reason why I upgraded to this iPad Air 4. I am coming from an iPad Pro 10.9 from 2017. That was very slow and tired. It needed to be sent to an old people's home and retired.
Supper time!
Which it has been. See you later, iPad Pro.
Ciao.
Setting up the iPad was very similar to any other iOS device. Once you have set up, you are greeted with this gorgeous home screen. It's a big upgrade from my previous iPad Pro. So why did I get the iPad Air 4 over the iPad Pro? This question will be answered in a future video. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on that. If you have made it this far into the video, then comment below iPad Air 4 and I will make sure that I give you a thumbs up and reply to all your comments. Have you enjoyed this video? If you have, then hit that like button, as YouTube will then recommend this video to other people who will find this video useful, just like you have.
Yeah, you.
If you are interested in more unboxings of Apple devices, then click these 2 videos. The top video is the unboxing and my initial thoughts on the Apple silicon case in the colour Blue Jay. The video at the bottom is the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the device that I am currently using and filming these videos on. You have been watching Vitiligo Talks, keeping tech simple, and I shall see you in the next one.